I got like 3 more hours. I'm so tired. But I know Angel's wore out too. He's been driving. I drove once for like a whole probably 30 minutes, wore me out. But I'm gonna drive again. Hopefully it won't get too dark because I'm not the best at this. So let's see what this is. So what happens to her? Alright, which one? Ooh, light chocolate caramel. That was like coffee, cafe, mocha, coffee, hot chocolate. Oh. How do you order all these damn things? Alright, so that's X3. What? Oh, I gotta pay first, of course. White chocolate caramel. What do I put in? 1X3? Okay, that just wasted. Oh, are you kidding me? Jesus Christ, I didn't see this one over here. God, I'm such an idiot. Baby! Ooh, you. Oh, that's so cool.
Looks kind of futuristic, isn't it?
Yeah.
$5 on that? You bugging.
Are you serious? Did I just spend that?
$4.75 is what it looked like.
No. Damn.
I kind of want one though. No, I got a monster in it.
Look, I just spent like an hour trying to figure this one out, and it's so freaking complicated.
Really?
Yeah, like I guess everything was sold out.
Can you? I was gonna say, can you scan your card? Because it's pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah, that kept it.
Let me see, scan your card.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're good. I'm looking too.
I'm like amazed at these. Like this was like that was like the most complicated
Ew.
coffee machine.
That does not have enough sugar or cream in it.
I'm gonna tell you house.
Huh?
I'm gonna tell you house. What?
I just have the sweetest thing about you. Granny, you might like this.
I spent $5.
Granny,
Yeah, she likes
like
bland coffee.
it has barely any cream or sugar in it.
This ain't better be worth $5.
Well, you unplugged it, now it has to charge again.
Hey, can you get me another phone with memory? Ready? Ready for you?
I'm ready.
Alright.
Granny's been ready. You're the one the most fan.
She's so mad at us.
I'm not mad at anybody, sweetheart. I am not.
Hello. So, you ready? Alright, this is the last stop, okay?
Yeah.